Okay, Assalamu alaikum. Hello, my students. Welcome back to our lessons in our favorite subject, ICT. This is me, Mr. Omar Hassan. And on today's lesson, we are going to do how to add effects to our slides. We have two types of effects. We have animation effect and we have a transition effect. Animation effect, this is always used for the parts of the slide, like text, like image, table, and so on. Transition is going to be set for the whole slide. So now how can we add animation effect? First, you have to select the slide that you decide to add animation effect to it. Step number 2, click the object that you want to add animation effect to it. Step number 3, go to animations tab. Step number 4, from the group animation here, click the button more. You can choose any animation from here, but the best one is to go to more entrance effects. Now this window, you can click and drag it on the title here, drag it a little to the left. Why? Because whenever you click or select any animation effect, Microsoft PowerPoint is going to show you a preview for your selection. Choose this one, for example, or this one. Now when you are satisfied with one, just click OK. Now click the name, add also animation effect, go to animations tab, go to the group animation, click the button more, go to more entrance effects. Now click and drag a little to the left to see the animation. Choose any suitable animation, for example choose rise up here. Now click OK, and now save your change. Go to file, then choose save. After we did that, let's start our slideshow or presentation. Press F5. Now the slide will be displayed but without the text and the animation. To start that, you can click anywhere. Just make one click by the left button anywhere. This is the first effect. Now click. This is the second effect. If you click now, you are going to move to the next slide. As you can see, here there is no animation, and here we don't have any animation. Click again to end. Now click to end your slideshow and return back to Microsoft PowerPoint. Now I want to add all or many animation effects on the other slide. Click on slide 2 here, click on the title computer AI. We have to select the object that we want to add animation effect to it. Then go to animations tab, then go to the group animation, click the button more, open more entrance effects. You can click and drag a little to the right to see the effect. Choose any one, for example spinner, this one. Click OK. Now click on the text to select it. Again from animations tab, go to animation group, click the button more entrance. Now choose any other one, for example white, and then click OK and save your change. Go to file, then go to save. Now go to the last slide here. Now to add animation, select your object, click on the title. Now go to animations tab, go to animation group, and then click the button more. Go to more effects, entrance effects. Now choose suitable effect, for example drop. Now click OK. Now to add animation effect to the picture, click it. Again go to animations tab, go to animation group, and then click the button more. You can choose more entrance effects group here. Now choose any suitable effect to your image, for example curve up, and then click OK. Now save your change. Go to file, then choose save. Now start your slideshow from the first slide by pressing F5. Now we are going to start from the first slide, as you can see. Okay, Now the first slide has been started. To display the animations, click. Now this is the first animation, as you can see. Now click again. This is the second text and the second animation. Now after you finish, to go to the next slide, click anywhere. Now this is the second slide. There is no animation effect. You have to click. This is the second slide. Click again, and this is the animation. To move to the last slide, now click. To display the animation, now click. Now click. This is all the presentation. When it finished, click. Now it finished, and now click to return back to PowerPoint. So this is simply how can we add animations effect to our slides elements or object. Now if I want to add an animation effect to the slide itself, this is called transitions. How can we do that? Go to transitions tab, then go to the group transition to this slide, click the drop down list, and then choose any suitable transition. This transition will be for your slides. For example, choose this one. This is the shape of the transition, as you can see, for the slide itself. Now this will be for only the selected slide here. If I want to apply it to all, you can click the button apply to all. If I clicked on the selected cell, this one, and I added a new slide like a new transition like this, then I click this one and I chose any suitable, for example, make it crush. So now each slide will have its own transition. Save your changes. Now start your slideshow, press F5. This is the first slide with its transition. Now click anywhere. This is the first text, and this is your name. Now to move to the next slide, first we will start with the transition of the slide. This is the transition. Now this is the text effect. Now click. This is the third one for the last slide. Now this is your all presentation. Click anywhere to end, click to return back. As you can see that each slide has its own transition. Now if I want to apply transition, one transition for all slides together, what I'm going to choose to do, I'm going to choose the transition that I want. For example, this one, organic. Now click here, apply to all in the group timing. At the same tab transition, go to timing group, then click apply to all. If you didn't click apply to all, that means each slide will have its own transition. If you click apply to all, that means the selected transition will be applied for all transitions. Now save your change. Now press F5 to start your slideshow. This is the first slide. Now click. Now this one. Now to move to the next one, you see all the slides now they have the same transition. Now click to end. Now return back to PowerPoint. That's all about the animation and transition in PowerPoint. Thank you very much. See you next class, inshallah.